All I drink is bottled water, and I have my doubts about that. I try to get the good bottled water.
Yeah, they have like a brand. You don't drink anything that we have.
I don't drink the Cambodian brands. I only drink like Avian or Fuji.
Yeah.
These people are catching fish in this water, and look at that.
And they sell in the water.
That is nasty sewage. It looks like it's been treated though, but who knows? I don't see anything floating.
I don't think I don't think they know how to treat anything. What that means.
And look at this, you got the little kid playing cards down here. This is the kid I gave $1 to. He looks like he wants to go swimming.
He's really looking at that like, hey.
Actually, I photographed a girl. She was a nice looking girl. She's out in her like little shorts and a little tank top with her boyfriend, and she was out with her boyfriend swimming out in the water, and she's just like, she's so happy. And I was like, if she saw this, she might not be so happy. Oh, look at this. Wow. Look at that. That is just... This is Cambodia. This is Phnom Penh.
This is Phnom Penh.
What's up, buddy? How you doing?
Oh yeah.
You okay? All right. Thumbs up. Oh man. They're just greens, I think. It's some kind of a green, like for salads or whatever. But I wonder if that's like what you're eating in the restaurants. You know,
That'll come from here.
If it comes from here, we'll give you a good deal on the vegetables. Yeah.
The thing about this is too is this is government shit. I mean, you know, this isn't some guy. This is the government releasing this. So it's like
Yeah. This is the public sewage.
Yeah.
And here this kid is playing blissfully playing with cards, unaware of it. He's constantly eating and drinking from shitty water. It's not so good.